Have you ever wondered exactly where those fireballs you launch through nether portals end up? Let's dive into the fascinating physics of interdimensional fire. First, find a clear shot through your nether portal. Aim carefully. The block you target in the nether corresponds to where the fireball will land in the overworld. Precision is key here. Notice how the fireball travels directly from the targeted block in the nether to the corresponding block in the overworld. The game maintains the projectile's trajectory during the portal transition. Experiment with different angles. Launching fireballs at upward or downward angles will affect their final landing spot in the other dimension. Consider the height difference between your portals. Keep in mind that fireballs will still cause fire upon impact, regardless of which dimension they originate from. Be mindful of your surroundings to avoid accidental destruction. So, the next time you're launching fireballs across dimensions, remember that their destination is directly linked to your aim. Happy experimenting with this fiery transportation method.